chasing the easy life.
What's up, y'all? Back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I prepare my natural hair. Prepare my hair for wig wearing. I'm just gonna be showing y'all the products I use for my hair to protect my hair while I'm wearing wigs. So today's video is sponsored by WowAfrican. They sent me over a wig that I'm gonna be wearing for you guys today, or styling and all that good stuff. So when you open up the box, you receive a cash back card. You can receive cash back if you purchase one of their wigs and you make a YouTube video and tag them in it, post it on your Instagram, and you can get $30 cash back. So I got an elastic band, wig cap. I got their little brochure here that's featuring these beautiful young ladies, YouTube ladies, that's wearing their wigs. Some beautiful wigs and beautiful ladies. Let me hurry up because I don't want my hair to dry too much. Okay, so this is the wig. It does have the elastic band and it has the clips. This looks like a bra strap. You can actually adjust them to fit your head. So if you got a big head, you can put it on the furthest hook, and if you got a small head, you can put it on the last hook. And this is what the hooks look like in the inside. And the wig construction is, the basic. Oh no, I like that it has the long comb in the back. And it has the two combs on the side. It is a 360 wig, so this is the back. And then here's the front, the hairline. I got the wig upside down. Here's the front of the hairline. Oh, we got some bleach knots going on. I can already see it. This is Brazilian hair, Milan curl, and she's 18 inches. Okay, so we'll get back to her in a minute, but let me show y'all what I use real quick to keep my hair nice and moisturized and healthy and protected while I be wearing all these wigs. So, first of all, you're gonna need a good moisturizer or leave-in conditioner. So I use the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. It has argan oil and Morocco oil in it. This works great for my hair. It keeps it nice and moisturized. To keep that moisture in your hair, you need to top it off with an oil. So the oils you can use is avocado oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and what I'm going to be using today is black Jamaican castor oil. Now this oil you will have to dilute with another thinner oil because Jamaican black castor oil is really thick. This is my go-to oil when I braid my hair up for my wigs because it keeps the moisture locked in for days. All of those oils can be found on Amazon, or you can go to your local like Whole Foods or something like that. So I just washed my hair and I don't even need a comb. My hair is already detangled. I detangled it in the shower. So I'm just about to throw some braids in my hair real quick. I always throw some big old braids to the back. They don't have to be neat because it's gonna be under the wig. Depending on if your hair is thick or not, you might have to do smaller braids, but my hair is thin, so I can get away with doing bigger braids. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of water on this section here because it's starting to dry. You do want your hair damp a little bit. I'm gonna apply the leave-in. And some people don't like to use leave-in or moisturizers or anything like that. They just like to use water, oil and water. And that's perfectly fine, but for me, I need that extra leave-in or moisturizer. So I just put the moisturizer all through my hair, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of my black Jamaican castor oil, really focusing on the ends of my hair. The ends is the oldest part of your hair, so it needs the most care. So taking my Denman brush, I'm gonna just comb all of that through. I'll just begin braiding. And if you don't know how to braid, you can actually put your hair back up in a ponytail. I know I do that a lot when I'm wearing wigs, when I don't feel like braiding my hair. Like I said, it all depends on how thick your hair is. So I can get away with just brushing my hair back up in a ponytail and having a low bun under my wigs. But whatever style you do need to make sure that your hair is well moisturized under those wigs. All right, so I'm all done. I feel nice and moisturized. And I'm telling you, this method will last you, well, let me not say that, because everybody's hair is different. Everybody has different textures, different grades of hair. This method keeps my hair moisturized for about 3 days without me ever having to do anything to it. When it do start feeling dry, all I do is take me some oil, water, put some leave-in conditioner into the oil and water, shake it up, spray it all over my hair, and then just take the oil of your choice and do like this to your head. And then I always take some extra oil and then focus just on my ends. And I do like to take the castor oil and just go down these little raggedy parts like so. And then that's just massage it in to my scalp. I did cut the lace off and I applied the elastic band using the hooks on the side, and I adjusted it to the furthest hooks to make the band smaller because my head is not big. And if you're wondering what the elastic band does, or what is the purpose of the elastic band, is to keep your wig nice and snug, like keep the lace down. So you can definitely tell that the knots are bleached. I know I have received some wigs and the company claims that the knots are bleached, and they don't be. But you can definitely tell that these knots are bleached. What we gonna do with her? Let's start out by combing her out. When I comb out my curly wigs, I don't use like a small tooth comb. Try to use a wide tooth comb or a Denman brush. I'm gonna use this comb here, using these ends, and I'm gonna just comb out these curls. The curls are nice, soft, pretty. They're popping already, and I didn't even add any product. Let's see how we're gonna part her. We're gonna do a middle part. I guess we're doing a middle part because honestly I haven't did a middle part in so long. I just been on the side parts. Okay, that was easy. I ain't did nothing, no plucking. Didn't have to add concealer, well, because the knots are bleached. Y'all see what bleached knots can do to a wig. Okay, I'm like done. Like what? Like what more do I need to do to the wig? Like the hairline is on point. I mean, I could throw some baby hairs in there, but I don't need them. I do have a little bit of flyaways up in there, so I'm gonna just take some holding spray, that, and just brush it down. Gone. Easy as that. Oh, I love the parting. Like, look at the parting. That look like it'll be cute in a ponytail, too. Like, it'll be cute for on those gym days. It looked like it'd be cute to wear in a ponytail on those gym days. Like, look at that. I don't have no ponytail holder, but y'all can see what it's looking like. Nice and sleek. This is what the side looks like. Put it like that. That's cute. That's cute. Baby hairs for me is used to kind of conceal your lace. This lace don't even need no concealing. Like, where the lace. And as y'all can see how nice and snug the wig is, it looked like I glued it down, and that's because of the adjustable strap elastic band. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this oil and water on the hair just to moisturize it a little bit. You do have to keep this hair nice and moisturized like you would your own. This is definitely one of those wigs you can just pop on and go, spritz her down with a little bit of oil and water, and you're done. You can go out the door. And if you like to sleep in your wigs, you take your bonnet off and your do-rag off, fix her up, and be out the door. Once again, this wig is from WowAfrican. As always, the link will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.